When we last visited Joe Rydell of Aberdeen, walking had become his main mode of transportation. That was after a tow truck repossessed his 2017 Mitsubishi Outlander. Rydell had stopped paying on the car. He decided to let it happen after receiving only temporary tags that kept expiring and getting stopped twice by police. He told us he just wanted to end the frustration.
It's been a full year of just a needless headache and a feeling of being ripped off and extra stress on our family that we don't need.
He couldn't legally drive the SUV because he couldn't properly register it in Maryland. His complaint is similar to others in a class action lawsuit filed in Pennsylvania, alleging violations under the state's Unfair and Deceptive Trade Practices Act. Carvana denies any and all liability. It attempted to get the case thrown out, claiming it was without merit. The company filed a motion to compel or force arbitration and dismiss the case, but a federal judge denied it. Attorney Philip Robinson is one of the attorneys representing Carvana customers in the lawsuit.
So what exactly does this judge's ruling mean?
It means the case gets to go forward. So their effort to have it dismissed, saying that we haven't pled legal claims, was denied.
Robinson says hundreds of people across the country have been impacted.
No one buys a car to sit in the driveway. People buy a car to get to work or school or to see other family members, and it's troubling to us, the cavalier approach to selling a car that you can't provide title to.
In an emailed statement, a spokesperson for Carvana tells the I-Team a handful of historical registration delays are not reflective of our outstanding customer experiences. Carvana does not agree with the judge's decision and says this is just a procedural ruling. It does not change that the legal theory of this case is wrong. The spokesman also wrote, "We look forward to winning this case in court and view this as nothing more than a predictable attempt by class action attorneys to try and profit off of minor alleged paperwork issues during the COVID-19 pandemic."
COVID is not an excuse for the continuing problem. Respectfully, I think most of these people that I've talked to who can't drive their cars legally, they didn't get the benefit of the bargain.
The judge ordered Carvana to file an answer to the complaint. A pretrial conference is set for November 23rd. For the 11 News I-Team, I'm Barry Sims.